A part of a massage therapist flow is introducing your hands or other tools to the client's body. That's what this video is about. Okay, so I have one hand on the shoulder, the other hand is holding the wrist with a traction down to the bolster. Then we're going to step in, meaning opening up the arm, step in, switch hands, which allows you to change the angle. Just remember, every client is different. Not every client responds to these techniques or any techniques the same exact way. Remember to always have intention and purpose with your hand placement. With this next technique, very similar to the first one, I am just going to traction up and over the angle of the bolster. Now let's switch and step into the arm again, this time changing the angle of the forearm. You will get a different traction with this. You may need to watch the video again if you did not see the angles. They are slight, but they are effective. And now let's place the client's hand on their abdomen or near it. Place your other hand on the back side of their shoulder. You're lifting, rotating, and pulling their hand at the same time. Adjust everything for the comfort of your client. This next technique, you must be kneeling to do it properly. You have to secure the shoulder well, one hand on top, one hand on the bottom. They can meet together, and a slight little pull. Even if your client doesn't have any movement like mine does here, it can still be a very effective technique. Just take your time and practice often. Welcome to Bodyworkers culture. This is part 2 of the supine arm flow. During part 1, which is located in the Pro MT course, we did not use any cream, oil, or lotion. In this one, we are using cream. Some clients have more movement and some clients have more rhythm. I always like to test that with the first few strokes. Here is this stroke again, this time with cream. We are going to lift, rotate, traction, all at the same time, 2 points of contact. Then we're going to abduct the arm out and traction again. Okay, I'm going to go through that sequence one more time. And here I am adding a little bit of pressure to a trigger point I found. So the client I'm working on now is very active in the gym and also a massage therapist. So I will have to add pressure while applying these techniques. The pressure is being applied on the upper pec, clavicle attachments, and on the posterior side, trapezius and rhomboid region. Take your time when getting into position to do this type of work and check in with the client if needed. Once again, my client can take deeper work, so I'm going to move into a more precision and direct tool. The first half stroke is all about seeing if there are any jump signs or breath holding. I am using this technique while supporting my wrist. This is very important when applying pressure. By the way, my support hand is also aiding with the pressure actually, even while providing support. In future videos, I will go through a set of delt techniques and pec techniques for the athletic client. Make sure you are always aware of bony landmarks. Adjust your techniques for the client. Now, if you're able to use the weight of the client to help you, then definitely do so. If your fingers can take the pressure, give it a try. If not, try a different technique. In this flow, the bottom hand did a lot of work. These are techniques you can do as well. All you have to do is practice often.